ang pinakapaboritong fried chicken ng mga Pilipino at masasabing isa rin sa pinakapaborito nating investment sa stock market, ang Jollibee. Jollibee Foods Corporation o JFC, isa sa pinaka-iconic at largest food service companies in the Philippines. It's not just about chicken joy, it's a global food empire. From Chowking, Mang Inasal, Greenwich, Red Ribbon, to Coffee Bean, and even Smash Burger in the US, at marami pang ibang brands. JFC owns and operates multiple food brands across the globe. As of June 2025, Jollibee has over 6,800 stores worldwide, and they are not slowing down. In fact, they're expanding aggressively in the US, Europe, and Middle East, aiming to become one of the top 5 restaurant companies globally. So bakit maraming investors ang gustong-gusto ng stock na to? Siyempre, unang-una dyan, strong brand loyalty dito sa atin sa Pilipinas at sa OFW communities abroad. Global growth potential through expansion and acquisitions, consistent long-term vision. Fundamentally, JFC focuses on long-term growth. It reinvests earnings to expand both locally and abroad. Kaya kahit may short-term volatility, maraming investors ang confident sa Jollibee dahil sa brand loyalty, skill, and global vision. Paano tayo mag-i-invest kay JFC? Pwede kang magbukas ng stock trading account at mag-invest sa direct stocks, or pwede kang mag-invest sa isang fund na top holding si JFC. If you want more stories about Philippine stocks, don't forget to follow Rampberry Financials.